Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to unlock all 4 present tenses in English. I want this to be an interactive lesson, so please get ready to participate. When I ask a question, write your answer in the comments below. Let's start with our first tense, the present simple. For most subjects like I, you, we, and they, we use the base form of the verb. For example, I walk or you speak. But what happens when our subject is he, she, or it? We add an s or es to the end of the base verb. So I walk becomes he walks. We use present simple for habits and routines. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning, or she drinks 2 cups of coffee every day. We also use it for facts and general truths. The earth revolves around the sun. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Time for practice. Fill in the blank with the correct form. My brother blank live in London. Write your answer in the comments. The correct answer is lives. My brother lives in London. We use lives with this because my brother is like he. Now let's move to our second tense, the present continuous. This tense has 2 parts we must remember. First, we need am, is, or are. Second, the main verb with ing ending. I am talking, he is reading, they are playing. The pattern is consistent. The verb to be changes, but the main verb always ends in ing. We use present continuous for actions happening right now. I'm watching a video about English tenses. It is raining outside. We also use it for temporary actions happening around now. I am reading an interesting book. She is learning to drive. Practice time. Please be quiet. The baby blank sleep. What's the correct present continuous form? The correct answer is, the baby blank is sleeping. We use is because the baby is like he or she, and we add ing to sleep. Now we're moving to more advanced tenses, but we'll make them simple. The present. Perfect connects the past with the present. We use have or has plus the past participle of the main verb. For regular verbs, it ends in ed, like played or watched. We use it for past actions when time isn't specified. I have lost my keys. The action happened in the past, but the result affects me now. Another use is for life experiences. She has traveled to Japan. We're not saying when, just that it's an experience in her life. The present perfect continuous focuses on duration. We use have been or has been, plus the main verb with ing. I have been waiting for 2 hours. They have been playing tennis for 3 hours. It emphasizes how long the action has been happening. Let's recap quickly. Present simple for habits and facts. Present continuous for actions happening now. Present perfect for past actions with present results. Present perfect continuous for duration. Final challenge. She is a writer. She 3 books. Should we use has written or has been writing? Think about the focus. The correct answer is has written. We use present perfect because we're talking about the completed result, the number of finished books. Now tell me, what have you been doing today? Try using the present perfect continuous in the comments. For example, I have been studying English. Thank you for joining me and participating so actively. I'm so proud of your hard work in this lesson. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.